Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share MSET chemistry multiple choice questions based on atomic structure. Moving to the first question, the correct set of 4 quantum numbers for the valence electron of rubidium atom. The atomic number of rubidium atom is 37. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6 and 5s1. Coming to the options, option A 5, 0, 1 plus half, option B 5, 0, 0 plus half, option C 5, 1, 0 plus half, option D 5, 1, 1 plus half. Pause the video and try to answer the question. So here the configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6 and 5s1. So 5s1 is the valence electron. So let us write 4 quantum number values for 5s1 electron. So n is the principal quantum number, so it is equal to 5. L, it is s orbital. For s orbital L equal to 0. So the values of m depend upon L. So m will have 0. And here only one electron is present. Hence its s value will be plus half. And hence the right option is option B 5, 0, 0 plus half. Coming to the second question, which of the following is the energy of first excited state of hydrogen? Option A plus 13.6 electron volts, option B minus 3.4 electron volts, option C minus 6.89 electron volts and option D plus 6.8 electron volts. So here it is the hydrogen atom and we are supposed to calculate first excited state. Pause the video and try to answer the question. So for calculating energy of hydrogen atom, we have the formula minus 13.6 by n square electron volts. And we are supposed to calculate the energy of first excited state. So for hydrogen atom, the ground state is the first orbit. So the first excited state will become second orbit and hence here n equal to 2. So energy of the first excited state is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 2 square. So that is equal to minus 13.6 divided by 4 and it is equal to minus 3.4 electron volts and hence the right option is B minus 3.4 electron volts. Moving to the third question, the group having isoelectronic species is option A O minus 2 F minus Na plus Mg plus 2, option B O minus F minus Na Mg plus 2, option C O minus 2 F minus Na Mg plus 2, option D O minus F minus Na plus and Mg plus 2. Just pause the video and try to answer the question. So here if anion is present, for each charge we have to add one electron. If a cation is present, we have to remove one electron. So oxygen, the atomic number is 8. So the atomic number of oxygen is 8 and here the charge is minus 2. That means we have to add 2 electrons. So the number of electrons equal to 10. For fluoride, here fluoride atomic number is 9 and here one negative charge is present and hence the number of electrons present will be 10. For sodium, the atomic number is 11 and here one positive charge is present and we have to remove one electron. So total number of electrons equal to 10. For magnesium, the atomic number is 12 and here plus 2 is present, that means we have to remove 2 electrons. So the total number of electrons equal to 10. Isoelectronic species means they contain same number of electrons. So if we carefully observe option A, all the species contains same number of electrons and hence the right answer is option A. Coming to the fourth question, the radius of the second Bohr orbit for hydrogen atom is A. 1.65 Armstrong units, B. 4.76 Armstrong units, C. 0.529 Armstrong units, D. 2.12 Armstrong units. Pause the video and try to answer the question. Here we are supposed to calculate the radius of Bohr orbit, that is second Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom. So for calculating the radius of hydrogen atom, we have the formula 0.529 into n square. Here we have to calculate radius of second orbit. So n equal to 2, that equal to 0.529 into 2 square, that is equal to 0.529 into 4. Hence it is equal to 2.12 Armstrong units and hence the right answer is option D. Moving to the fifth question, calculate the wavelength of light required to excite an electron in an hydrogen atom from level n equal to 1 to n equal to 2. Option A 1.214 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Option B 2.816 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Option C 6.500 into 10 power minus 7 meters. And option D 8.50 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Pause the video and try to answer the question. Here we are supposed to calculate the wavelength required to excite an electron of hydrogen atom from level 1 to level 2. So we have to excite an electron from ground state to first excited state, and the best formula is 1 by lambda equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Here R is Rydberg's constant and its value is 1.097 into 10 power 7 meters, and here the first orbit is the ground state and we have to use n1 equal to 1 and n2 the final level is 2 square. So that is equal to 1.097 into 10 power 7 into 1 minus 1 by 4, that means 3 by 4. On calculating it is equal to 0.822 into 10 power 7. It is the value of 1 by lambda and we are supposed to calculate lambda value. That implies lambda equal to 1 by 0.822 into 10 power 7. So that is equal to 1.215 into 10 power minus 7 meters. So option A is the right answer. Finally, I would like to conclude this video by sharing the test question. The value of h by lambda of an electron in terms of E and M is A square root of 2 MeV, option B MeV, option C 2 MeV, and option D square root of MeV. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.